So now we take away this wall and hopefully what we built holds the roof up. In today's exciting video, we do make a big room.
It's like a tuck shop, eh?
It does, So what's in the menu today?
Get some juicies, maybe a hot dog.
Oh,
Remember those?
Oh, now it's time for the dusty part. Cutting all the jib. So before we started this renovation, everything was sitting on this wall here that Paito's got his hand on. And we built the wall on the outside, we added new trusses and it bridged the gap. So now we take away this wall and hopefully what we built holds the roof up.
Can you hold that for a sec? I'll just run my blade and cook with it. I think I was standing right in the way too.
You right there, lad.
Yeah.
Did it just come down?
Yeah.
So now that big double truss is holding everything as planned. The ceiling comes all the way over to it now. And the little dip down part that just fell, that was sort of just relying on this old wall. So all part of the plan, all part of the plan. However, pretty dramatic. This wall was built out of pine and proper timber, but this wall here is jib and MDF. It's like an MDF stud system. It's very strange, which means it all just sticks together. That's all MDF there. So because it's all glue based and you can't just separate the jib from the framing easily. So we just cut it out in big panels and get rid of it. Look at the size of this room now. It's huge. Alright. This whole entrance configuration is slightly changing. That door's staying there. And this door is going to go over to here. And there'll be a new door going to the other bedroom that's on the other side there. We're going to start with this area now because it's currently the barrier between the work we're doing and the rest of the house.
See that?
Nice. Got brown here, so started framing. It's looking beautiful. It's going to be the door into this bedroom where Paito's drinking a coffee, and that's going to be the door into the other bedroom, which is the master bedroom.
Cool, eh? So open.
It's pretty cool. Makes our wall frame look good.
Well, now people can actually see how far the extension comes in.
True. That's true, that was the old external wall. And now, all of that roof, this whole space, from there to there, all of that, is supported by this girder truss. So it was a pretty good demo day so far. We're just going to continue framing that, maybe get a sheet of jib on, and yeah. people have been asking me about this hammer, and I haven't had it for that long, so I'm gonna wait for a little bit and then I'll do a video about it. But so far, so good. Okay, we may have stuffed something up here. We got all this jib in, all this stuff here, and we stacked it in the order that we thought we would need it. But
we're wrong.
we're wrong. We're gonna use the jib brace line for the wall that we just framed. And as you can see, it is under 10 sheets of jib standard. These things happen. See, all jib sheets are more or less the same, but the blue sheets, they're denser, and therefore sound doesn't travel as easily through them. So we need to use them between the bedrooms.